Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, I'll show you how to set up Personal Hotspot in iPhone 16 Pro Max so you can easily share your internet with other devices. Now, let's get started. First, make sure your mobile data is turned on by swipe up the control center and make sure cellular data is on, as the Personal Hotspot uses your cellular connection to provide internet access. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone to access all your device's options. Scroll down through the Settings menu and tap on the Personal Hotspot option. This is where you control who can connect to your hotspot and manage its settings. Now, enable the Allow Others to Join toggle. This lets other devices find your hotspot and connect to it using Wi-Fi. Next, set a secure password for your hotspot by entering a strong password in the password field. This is important to keep your connection safe and prevent unauthorized access. After typing your password, tap Done to save the changes and apply your new hotspot password. Finally, other devices can now find your hotspot by turning on their Wi-Fi and selecting your hotspot name. They just need to enter the password you set to connect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tech tips.